सो गाइस ग्रेट सीइंग यू हियर। 75 चालू है। जो सारे टास्क थे आज के, किस किसने कौन से टास्क नहीं खत्म किया? आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट ऑल ऑफ यू आर फॉलोइंग द टाइम टेबल प्रॉपर्ली। तो कितने तुम्हारे टास्क खत्म हुए हैं और कितने आज के नहीं खत्म हुए? आई जस्ट शेयर द स्क्रीन विद ऑल द टास्क फॉर टुडे। लेट्स जस्ट चेक इट। Do you guys have any questions about how the tasks are supposed to be done? हम्म मतलब कोई अगर ऐसी चीज है जो तुम्हें नहीं समझ रही या फिर तुम कहीं पे अटक रहे हो, देन टेल मी वन थिंग, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू कि वो कैसे करना है, सो दैट यू गाइस आर बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड टू डू इट। टेल मी। ये देखो, इज माय स्क्रीन विजिबल टू ऑल? हाँ या नहीं?
Yes.
Yes, sir. It's
या
visible.
सो टेल मी, किस किस को कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आई? दी एंटायर पॉइंट ऑफ द सेशन इज दैट ओनली, दैट आई जस्ट बेसिकली टेक अप कि तुम्हें कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, सो दैट वी डोंट फेस द सेम प्रॉब्लम अहेड इन द फ्यूचर। वी कैन सिंपली फॉलो ऑल द टास्क फॉर ऑल द डेज। तो बोलो मुझे, तुम्हें कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है? हम्म Were you guys able to clear 3 LRK sets? Hmm? Why Shreyas nahi?
No, sir.
Actually, sir, I have
started
completed the task. Only cons is remaining.
Okay, and why so?
Because I am weak in cons, first of all. And second thing is like by tomorrow, I'm going to enroll your 75-day course. Still, I haven't. So I
Okay,
don't have proper content for it.
okay, understandable. Shreyash,
हम्म।
तेरा क्यों नहीं हुआ?
या मैंने अभी स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया सर। मैं आज से ही मैंने मतलब देखा है। मैंने कल ही मैंने कोर्स लिया था आपका। सो टुडे आई जॉइंड योर ग्रुप
अच्छा,
टेलीग्राम वाला। Yeah.
Omkar and Avni, were you able to do all the tasks for the day?
Yes, sir. बस linear and quadratic equation नहीं हुआ.
क्यों नहीं? देख, 15 क्वेश्चंस करना है। See, my point is that if it's just 15 questions, it's not going to take up that much time. But the point is,
नहीं, वो टाइम के इश्यू की वजह से नहीं हुआ. एक्चुअली वो मुझे टफ जाता है और उसका राइट अप्रोच भी पता नहीं, तो कहाँ से पढूं वो भी कुछ था नहीं
Omkar,
मेरे
you already have the books, right? You already have the books.
पास.
गो
बुक्स
15 कोई भी क्वेश्चंस 15 उठा, रैंडम 15 क्वेश्चंस उठा, सॉल्व देम, टाइम योरसेल्फ, देख देख तुझे कितना टाइम लगता है। ओके, आई रेकमेंड 5-5 क्वेश्चंस को टाइम कर, 5-5 क्वेश्चंस टाइम कर, look at the solutions of those 5, see did you do it in the optimal way, or have you solved it by a longer method, or have you solved it all?
ओके सर, आई विल ट्राई राइट नाउ.
Sorry?
मैं ट्राई करता हूँ सर अभी
Yeah,
सेशन
then
के बाद.
definitely try it. आज सोने से पहले वो खत्म कर. See, because 15 questions won't take up a lot of time, but it's now mainly about setting a habit. अभी क्या होगा? If you are setting a wrong habit now, कि हाँ चल जाएगा. Now it is going to get tougher when we start the mocks. So I don't know if you know or not, but 1st Jan is when I have decided that you guys will start the mocks. Mock test का पूरा टाइम टेबल बना हुआ है. By that time, I don't want you guys to be in a position जहाँ पे तुम्हें कुछ नहीं आता है या फिर तुम्हें आदत नहीं है टाइम प्रेशर में काम करने की. ऑब्वियसली मेरे 4th जैन से लेक्चर्स भी चालू होने वाला है. 4th जैन से लेक्चर्स में आई एम गोइंग टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर 4 आवर्स कंटिन्यूसली ऑलवेज ऑन अ टाइमर, बिकॉज 4 घंटे मेरे लेक्चर्स होने वाले रोज तुम्हारे साथ, राइट? सुबह 2, शाम को 2. एट दैट पॉइंट आई एम गोइंग टू मेक श्योर दैट यू गाइज आर ऑलवेज ऑन अ टाइमर. एंड कोई भी क्वेश्चन हम जो भी सॉल्व करेंगे, इट विल ऑलवेज बी इसको जल्दी कैसे करना है, एंड इन द मोस्ट एफिशिएंट एंड easiest method. That is what we are going to work on.
यस
4 घंटे जो हम लेक्चर्स में करेंगे वो छोड़ के बाकी का मैं तुम्हें देने वाला हूँ. लुक एट दिस इज 1 hour. ये दोनों को कितना कितना टाइम लगेगा? 1-1 घंटा, चलो पकड़ लो 1 घंटा शायद लग भी जाए. 1 hour 3 hours. इसको लगेगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2 घंटे, 5 घंटे. 5 घंटे ये 10 मिनट का काम भी नहीं है, तो आई एम गोना अज्यूम 5 घंटे होंगे. 5 घंटे, आधे घंटे का ये तुम्हारा रीडिंग होने वाला है. 5.5 घंटे तुम्हें पूरा दिन का पढ़ाई करना है. मैक्स इसको पकड़ के 6 घंटे पकड़ लो, तो 6 hours. 6 hours of self-study and 4 hours of lectures. This is what it's going to be. Now, obviously, whenever you have a mock, वो टाइम पे इसमें से 2 घंटे mock में चले जाएंगे. So it will be 4.5 hours of study, and it will be 2.5 hours of 2.5 hours of study and 2.5 hours of mock. Right? Mock की एनालिसिस को ऊपर से, now that Crackers के, I don't know if you have seen the interface or not. ओमकार, एक भी mock दिया अब तक?
नहीं सर, अभी नहीं दिया.
Anybody has taken any mock till now?
Sir, I have given 2 mocks. I have attempted 122 questions and I got 79 marks.
Cracker test में?
No, I have other ones Just I have purchased other mocks. Now I'm going to enroll your course.
The point is that why am I saying? Because अपना जो analysis module है ना,
Mm-hmm.
it took me almost 3.5 to 4 months to just decide that इसमें क्या क्या बैठने वाला है. The analysis module is going to be extremely efficient. Like going to be, मतलब it's already extremely efficient. I'm adding more things to it. So in the next sometime you're going to see it's going to get even better. But already the content which is the main thing there, that is my ABC strategy. ये already वहाँ पे है. ABC strategy as in not how do you decide what is your ABC strategy. The software, based on how I have made it, will basically tell you in this mock which questions did you treat as your A, your B, and your C category.
Okay.
And on top of that, जब तू mocks देगा, once you have taken 5 mocks, now
Mhm.
5 mocks is what I suggest is a good enough number of mocks for me to give a comparative analysis of the average of the last 5 mocks. That is a good enough spot to consider that you are at. Like उसको तू trust कर सकता है that हाँ 5 mocks is a good enough number. तो for the last 5 mocks, there is a particular analyze section जो क्रैक्योटेस के एप्लीकेशन पे है, एप्लीकेशन एंड डेस्कटॉप सॉफ्टवेयर पे. उसमें लास्ट 5 मॉक का तुझे एवरेज पता चलेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द लास्ट 5 मॉक्स, which are your A category topics, which are your B category topics, which are your C category topics. Individually, sections wise, what is your NPM? So you will understand which section is giving you a higher NPM, which section is giving you a lower NPM. So you can decide, you can understand how much time are you employing in each and every section and what is the return that you are getting from that section. Are you understanding? So if you see that your LR ka NPM is 0.8, it can mean two things. Guys, I'm extremely sorry. Actually, कुछ किसी ने by mistake मेरा internet बंद कर दिया because they didn't know I'm taking a lecture right now. So that's why वो पूरा बंद हो गया था. I'll just share the screen all over again and explain it to you. Can you please remind me where I was? Yeah, the analysis module. So the NPM, as I was talking about, you will get your sectional NPM also, right? So if I tell you that you guys are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as I was saying, अगर मुझे LR का मेरा NPM पता चल रहा है that it is 0.8. So that can mean either two things. ओंकार, what can it mean अगर मेरा NPM कम है तो? Any guesses?
वो टॉपिक में इम्प्रूव करना जरूरी है
Sorry.
या फिर एक तो एफिशिएंसी गैप है या फिर नॉलेज गैप है.
Exactly. You will have to figure out that why is it less? Is it less because, yeah, Shubhajit?
Sir, actually, can we reference everything to Jamnalal Bajaj, which is the top tier college, and as per your lectures as well, sir, we mostly refer to that college. So, अगर मान लीजिए आप बोल रहे 0.8 है तो जमनालाल बजाज के लिए कितना चाहिए रहेगा सर?
A normal NPM that I recommend overall mock का NPM 1 होना चाहिए. Because then you will be at a 150 का score, which will almost always mean a JBIM score. Now I'm saying under the most normal circumstances. Last year the CET was a little here and there, because of which there are a few people who are assuming that they got a 160, 165 ka score. That is the cutoff. But I honestly don't think that that was the case, because I have students who have gotten in. I have quite a few students and they are also saying that sir around 150, 155 जितना ही score था. Because at that point they clearly have an idea that sir मेरा इतना score आने वाला है, सही गलत सब गिन के. So I am saying 150 is a good enough score. सालों से वही चलता आ रहा है. It's just statistically proven. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So as I was saying, NPM कम होने की दो reasons है. One, you are taking the good amount of time. जितना लेना चाहिए उतना time ले रहे हो. But you are scoring less. Or you are, मतलब क्या? तुम्हारा इधर accuracy कम है. Accuracy is down. Or what is happening? You are scoring the same, but you're giving a lot of time. So that means your time is too much. That is your speed is less. Speed is the issue. You will accordingly have to figure out, like you will accordingly be told that तुम्हें कैसे. This is where my one-to-one sessions help you. Because I then on my backend have a clear analysis of what is the problem with you. Where the one-to-one session I can clearly tell you that तुम्हारा ये issue है, this is how we are going to work on it. I'll give you a timetable according to that. Up for the next few days, this is how we are going to work. That is why after one-to-one sessions immediately, because I can figure out where the issue is. So I can pinpoint that यहाँ पे issue आ रहा है. It's not just me. The other teachers along with me also have the same backend, so they can clearly help you out. We have had one-to-one sessions for the past 3 years, and everybody's very happy with the sessions. I've seen students grow like 15, 20 marks within a few days just after the one-to-one session, because they know exactly what to target. Most of the times students are just playing blind. वो लोग blind game खेल रहे हैं. So that is just useless ना.
Same thing is happening with me. I'm just going blind.
Exactly. So that's what ends up happening. So my whole offering is direction.
एग्जैक्टली पूरा खिचड़ी हुआ है सर, जस्ट समझ में नहीं आता कि कब क्या पढ़ना है।
Direction is what I give.
हम्म।
So now tell me, quants नहीं हुआ. स्पीड मैथ्स एंड वोकैबुलरी का टेस्ट दिया सबने आज?
यस
हाँ या
सर।
नहीं? छोटा सा टेस्ट है, रेकमेंड ये दे दो. अगर तुम्हें अलग से टाइम नहीं निकालना तो ये दोनों तुम्हारा स्पीड मैथ्स का टेस्ट और आरसी रीडिंग के बाद इमीडिएटली दे दो. इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी इजी थिंग. छोटा सा तो टेस्ट है, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट इट विल गेट यू इनटू अ हैबिट डेली ऑफ फेसिंग द टाइमर.
सर लास्ट थिंग जस्ट आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू, लाइक जिस जो शेड्यूल रहेगा, जो टाइम टेबल आप डिसाइड करेंगे पर्टिकुलर डे का, वही
हाँ.
लेक्चर होंगे ना सर?
सॉरी.
लाइक आज समझो आपने समझो 4 तारीख से लाइव लेक्चर्स चालू होंगे, ठीक है?
हाँ.
तो उसमें समझो टॉपिक 4 तारीख को रहेगा PNL, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, तो
हाँ.
उसका लेक्चर वही रहेगा ना उस दिन?
मैं नहीं, दैट विल बी डिफरेंट. मैं
Okay.
द पॉइंट इज दैट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द सेम थिंग, वो ऑलरेडी लेक्चर खत्म होने के बाद तुझे आधा घंटा लेक्चर का रिवीजन करना ही है. सो व्हेन आई टेल यू दैट लेक्चर खत्म हुआ है, द बेस्ट वे टू एक्चुअली गेट द हाईएस्ट बेनिफिट फ्रॉम द लेक्चर विल बी इफ लेक्चर खत्म होने के बाद आधा घंटा तू उसकी बुक्स में से 10-15 या जो हमने टाइप के क्वेश्चंस किए वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर ले. दैट इज द बेस्ट. इट विल गेट फिट इन योर माइंड इमीडिएटली. देन गो अलोंग विद योर टाइम टेबल एवरी डे का, एज आई गिव यू. ओके. So I will not keep it limited. वरना क्या हो जाएगा? You will for the same day you'll be studying or diving too deep into that same topic. ऐसा मत कर. I am going to have a cyclic fashion of a timetable where one question, one topic, what you have studied right now, it will come back in the next 8 to 9 days. So every 8 to 9 days or 7 to 8 days, you'll start seeing a cycle in the timetable that I'm going to make for you. Are you understanding?
Got it.
Because वरना क्या होता है? I have seen a lot of students do this. वो लोग बोलते हैं मैं पूरा quants पहले खत्म कर देता हूँ, बाद में लॉजिक पे कूदूंगा. प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? दे कोट अनकोट फिनिश द क्वांट्स का पोर्शन. एक तो आई हैव अ ह्यूज प्रॉब्लम विद स्टूडेंट्स सेइंग दैट पोर्शन खत्म किया है. वेरी रॉन्ग वे टू से. पोर्शन खत्म नहीं होता है. इट्स सिर्फ सम्स. तुमने 500 सॉल्व कर दिया मतलब पोर्शन सॉल्विंग नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू फिगर आउट वेयर कैन यू सेव टाइम एंड विच इज इट. तुम कौन से टॉपिक में कौन से सेक्शन में कितना एमपीएम होना चाहिए, ये सब तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए. एंड यू आर एबल टू स्टिक टू इट, देन यू कैन से मेरा पोर्शन खत्म हुआ है. अदरवाइज यू आर जस्ट, as I was talking to Aditya just before the recording started, तुम लोग गधा मजूरी कर रहे हो वरना. Are you understanding? Just scribbling the pen, you will not get good enough marks. I am pretty sure that 1 लाख में से एटलीस्ट 2500-3000 स्टूडेंट्स होंगे जिन्होंने पूरा बुक्स एकदम चाट लिया होगा. क्या फायदा? Are you understanding?
Yes, so getting
It's about you are not trying to bring in efficiency. You are just trying to do donkey work.
exactly.
Finishing all the
No
books.
directions, just doing.
Yeah. Yeah, Subhajit, you asking something?
Yes, sir. Mainly, sir, what I see from your timetable, it is more oriented towards means using the complete day. But for someone who has a who is a working professional, so sir, how to means reorganize this?
The timetable can be personalized to your timing based on whenever you get the time. If I say that right now you can see 12 से 2 तक you have to finish LR के 3% and critical reasoning के 3 sets, right? It's absolutely fine if you do it in the morning 7 to 9. But now my point is that if I tell you that दिन का 5 घंटा पढ़ाई करना है, you will say that मुझे काम में से 3 घंटा टाइम मिलता है, I'll study for 3 hours, but I want a result equivalent to somebody who is studying दिन का 6 hours. It's not going to work out. Are you understanding? See, I can give you a timetable. I can tell you that itna padna hai, but finally sticking to it, the results from it will be how much you do. It's like saying that I will work out only 3 times a week and I will not follow my diet, but I want the same results as John Abraham, who workouts like 10 times a week and follows his diet to the T. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir, I get your point, but
See, the point is you can switch the timings here and there. It's absolutely fine. But at this point, this will require a little bit of sacrifice. That is going to be either sleep or work or being a little more stressed the way that I am. So you'll have to sacrifice either of these.
okay, sir.
But trust me, it's worth it. I have had students who have really benefited from this. It'll definitely be worth it in the end. You will start seeing a huge difference in the first 10 days of the course itself. You already joined I guess you joined today only, na? Today or yesterday?
Yesterday I joined, sir, but today I
Actually,
joined
you
the
got
WhatsApp
added to the
group.
group. Yeah. You
So
start seeing
orientation was
once the
today,
lectures
sir.
start in 10 days, you'll start seeing a huge difference in the way that you're solving. Also, because I, even in the lectures, many times take speed maths ka test. So that is something that will force you to study. Okay?
Sir, just last question.
Yeah, go on, please.
Like, sir, I haven't completed my PNL lecture. So how could I solve that question? So for that reason.
See, now the point. So what I say, take my lectures not as a crutch. Take them as you already know something and I'm pushing you ahead.
Exactly.
So treat my lectures like, oh, I don't know if you have played racing games or not. Like nitrous
Mhm.
oxide होता है ना, the boost. Treat them
Mhm.
as that. You know it. मैंने books दिए हुए, books में explanations है, sums है. But I will make sure that apart from what you are doing already, I'll show you how to solve it much faster. So even if ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? You see all of these topics, they are something that you already solved in school, right? PNL था, percentage था, average था, सब कुछ हमने स्कूल में किया है. But what I'm trying to tell you is that I will bring you up a notch in that. Are you understanding?
Yes,
And
sir.
अगर कोई टॉपिक नहीं जमा, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं जमा तो ठीक है, ज्यादा क्या ही होगा, मैं सिखा दूंगा. वो टॉपिक छोड़ दे, वो क्वेश्चन छोड़ दे, बाकी के क्वेश्चंस तो कर ले जितने हो रहे तेरे से. Is that you should be at some level. I will consider my lectures as a multiplier. If you are at a 1, I'll multiply you to a 5. If you are at a 2, I'll multiply you to a 10. But if you stay at a 0, then 0 into 5 will also be a 0 only.
Exactly. Because like I have done all the things. Only my I'm weak in quants and little bit in verbal. So for that reason.
Forget that you're weak in quants. Because I'm telling you, मेरा quants बहुत खराब था.
Hmm.
I have for 4 years not studied quants because I was afraid of quants. But it's only when I started doing it that when I realized it's actually pretty easy when you approach it in the right manner. And that is why I really blame the way that we have been taught math overall. It's
Okay.
very doable. It's just that you have to think of it in a very extremely logical manner. If you do it, then it's very easy.
Wow.
Okay.
Sure.
Yes, Chetas?
Yeah, hi sir. Actually, I just wanted to give a feedback about the mocks.
Yeah.
So, yeah, actually, I liked it, and I just wanted to say, like, एक LR puzzle था, so I was not able to solve it. So I just went to the solutions. So actually, वो direct solution दिया था. So I
हाँ.
just wanted कि थोड़ा explanation हो कि how did you get to the like
The
point.
mocks में क्या scene है? I have, so overall I asked like almost 150 to 180 students of mine from last year that actually वो जो पूरा तरीका होता है वो पढ़ना है या नहीं. I've seen many mock providers, they give a very long explanation of it. But what ends up happening is that you are too stuck on following that method of solving only. So that is why what we do generally is that वो mock, वो question देख, वो solution देख. Are you able to find that solution by yourself by looking at the solution once? If not, bring it to the live doubt solving. उसमें हम बाद में मेथड देखेंगे कि कैसे सॉल्व करना है. A live way of solving is much better. Or the best thing that you can do is that actually just put up a message on the group. Chetas, I'm putting you on mute. Okay, ज़्यादा Chetas. Yeah. What you can do is ग्रुप पे मैसेज डालोगे, सुनो मुझे ये वाले में डाउट है, लेट्स गेट ऑन अ जूम मीटिंग. तो यू विल सी वो गूगल मीट की लिंक हमारे ग्रुप में उड़ती रहती है कंटिन्यूसली. स्टूडेंट से अरे आजा चल लेट्स सॉल्व इट. यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ लाइव ग्रुप सॉल्विंग दैट कीप्स हैपनिंग एट क्रैक एवरी टेस्ट. I keep encouraging that group study करना चालू करो. That is why the 120 वाला group I specially make, so that people who are extremely serious and extremely dedicated to the task, they are going to be with people around them. It keeps pushing them higher. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. सिर्फ क्योंकि कोई भी LR पजल सिर्फ एक तरीके से करना नहीं होता, बहुत तरीके से कर सकते हो. What I end up teaching probably on YouTube, like the Tricky Thursdays and everything, is going to be what is my optimum way of solving that question. It's not the only way. उससे भी शायद तुम्हें कोई ज्यादा अच्छा तरीका मिल जाए. But if I were in the exam in your place, I would solve it in this manner. That's how I do it. Okay? Yeah. Any other doubts? Anybody? Somebody had a doubt. यहाँ पे कोई question था which somebody wanted me to explain in the session. I'm just gonna do it. Okay? अरे यहाँ पे कहाँ गया वो question? Just 1 minute. हाँ 20 liters वाला. तो I'll just try to rotate नहीं होता है क्या इसमें जूम में? हाँ ये रहा, सॉरी. तो ये वाला क्वेश्चन आई एम जस्ट गोना सॉल्व. इज माई रेड इंक विजिबल? चलेगा ये? या. सो ये वाला ट्रिक गाइस, नॉर्मली फॉर दिस व्हाट वर्क्स आउट इज दैट, देखो, I'll explain the logic first. Are you guys able to see my whiteboard? मेरा whiteboard दिख रहा है?
Yes.
दिख रहा है ना? या. सो नाउ द पॉइंट इज, समझो अगर मेरे पास एक सोल्यूशन है जिसमें 1000 और 100 लीटर पानी है. इफ आई से मैं इसका 20% निकालता हूँ, लाइक 100 लीटर चलो ऑयल है. इफ आई टेक आउट 20 लीटर्स ऑफ दिस और मैं पानी डाल देता हूँ, तो क्या हो जाएगा? नाउ इट विल बिकम 80 liters oil and 20 liters water, right? हाँ या नहीं guys? हाँ या नहीं?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what is oil as compared to water? अब now oil is 4/5 of the total solution. बाद में क्या होगा? अब मैं वापस सेम चीज करता हूँ. मैं ये जो लीटर, ये जो है सोल्यूशन, इसमें से 20 लीटर्स निकालता हूँ. तो 20 लीटर्स कैसे निकलेगा? ओवरऑल निकलेगा ना. तो दिस इज 4:1 रेशियो, तो वो भी ऐसे ही निकलेगा 4:1 में. सो -16 -4. बट इसमें क्या करूंगा? ये जो 16 निकाला, आई विल एड इट हियर. इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग -4, आई विल जस्ट एड द 16 हियर. सो +16 और -4 को भूल जाओ. सो आई विल गेट व्हाट? आई विल गेट दिस एज 64, राइट? हाँ या नहीं?
Yes.
64. और यहाँ पे कितना आ जाएगा? 36. सो पहले जहां पे मेरा 80/100 था, नाउ इट हैज बिकम 64/100, राइट? मैंने 100 से 0.8 किया, मल्टीप्लाई इंटू 0.8. सिमिलरली यहाँ भी इंटू 0.8 हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज इंटू 4/5. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी इंटू 4/5 इंटू 4/5, ऐसे आगे आगे चलता रहेगा. सो इफ आई से दैट मैंने 4 बार किया ये, and now the oil in the solution is 4 divided by 625. Okay, that is how you get the answer. So when I look at that sum in particular, जो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? ऑपरेशन पहले एक बार किया और बाद में 3 और बार किया, दैट इज टोटल 4 बार किया. एंड फाइनली आई एम लेफ्ट विथ 81/625. दैट इज व्हाट? 3/5 the whole raised to 4, राइट? हाँ या नहीं गाइस? हाँ या नहीं?
Yes, sir. Yes.
सो दैट मीन्स जब मैंने पहली बार किया था, व्हेन आई फर्स्ट टाइम डिड इट, एट दैट पॉइंट माय सॉल्यूशन वाज, एक मिनट, माय सॉल्यूशन बिकेम 3/5 टाइम्स ऑफ इटसेल्फ. माय कंसंट्रेशन बिकेम 3/5 टाइम्स ऑफ इटसेल्फ. इसका मतलब क्या? मैंने 2/5 निकाल दिया टोटल सॉल्यूशन में से. दिस इज व्हाट वाज रिमूव्ड. बट मैंने निकाला एक्चुअली कितना था? मैंने 8 लीटर निकाला था. 8 लीटर्स इज 2/5. देन हाउ मच विल बी 5? 5/5 कितना हो जाएगा? 20. एग्जैक्टली चेतस. सो 2/5 is 8. So 1/5 will be 4 and 5/5 will be 20 liters. So that is why my original solution is 20 liters. Okay. So ये तरीका था. This is just something that somebody wanted, और लड़की बेचारी काफी बार पूछ रही थी, so I just explained it here. And actually this is a very basic thing. ये काफी बार आ जाता है. This is a very common question that comes up in mixtures and allegations. I never use allegations by the way. मेरा अपना ही मेथड है. Okay. By the way, speed maths आज कितने लोगों का हुआ properly? Tell me. हाँ guys, speed maths में कहीं भी तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो मुझे बता देना. I'll tell you how to solve it.
सर वो स्क्वायर रूट कैसे निकालना?
Sorry.
स्क्वायर रूट कैसे निकालना है?
Square root करने का
उसमें
एक particular method है in which you can very easily figure out the square root of anything to a very close approximate value. So एक तो स्कूल वाला मेथड है, तो वो मैं यूज नहीं करता. बट देयर इज अ वेरी थोड़ा हटके टाइप ऑफ मेथड है, which I prefer keeping it for my students only. But square root हो सकता है, any number का square root you can figure out. There is one limitation, cube root नहीं हो सकता, सिर्फ square root हो सकता है. Okay. And also the one limitation with that method is you have to figure out if it's a perfect square or not first. Perfect square है तो perfect square का square root निकालने का method अलग है. अगर वो perfect square नहीं है, then we can find an approximated value. Okay? Yeah. Yes, Shubhajit, बोलो.
Sir, can you help me understand how to navigate this means sheet? Because
It's
sir,
very easy. Basically, your questions are the number 1 and number 2. In this, these are the questions. You multiply them, you get this. You add them, you get this. You subtract them, you get this. You divide them, you get this. So basically, these are the questions, and यहाँ पे solutions भी दिए हुए हैं for you to check. But you have try to do it yourself. ये numbers बस note down कर लो अपनी book में and start solving them. Okay? If you want to go one notch higher, you can do 4 into 3. उसके ऊपर करके फायदा नहीं है. It's very rare that 4/3 से ज्यादा आएगा. ये वाले नंबर्स का स्क्वायर निकालना है. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन, दिस इज द आंसर टू दैट. ये क्यूब्स का आंसर है और ये फैक्टोरियल्स का आंसर है. फाइन. नाउ बेस अभी के लिए टेंशन मत लो. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज परसेंटेज टू रेशियो. 633.33 इज 19/3. तुम्हें निकालना है रेशियो. हाउ डू आई कन्वर्ट दिस परसेंटेज इनटू रेशियो? What you can do, actually what I normally do is 633.33 matlab it is 6 plus 33.33, that is 6 plus 1/3, that is 18/3 plus 1/3 giving you 19/3. Understood?
yes sir.
Yeah. So that is how you're going to have to figure out that base क्या है. यहाँ पे मैंने base 33.33 पकड़ा, that is 1/3, because that is the fraction that I tried to make. Okay. Yeah.
Okay sir.
So that is how you're going to navigate. And then there is square roots of these numbers. You can try to approximate it or figure out. But square roots are extremely helpful. It's very helpful. Also, the point is, understand this carefully. Guys, जितने हो सके कैमरा चालू कर दो. It's not that they are going to directly ask these questions to you, that square root ढूंढो या फिर 4/3 multiplication करो. But the point that you can immediately look at a number and start figuring out answers क्या आने लगेगा, because you can really see patterns in numbers once you have practiced very well. So if you are at that point where you can recognize patterns very easily, then solving sums becomes an absolute breeze. तो पैटर्न्स रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए पहले नंबर से जान पहचान करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. लाइक आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर अ म्यूजिशियन और नॉट, बट आई लर्न द गिटार, आई प्लेड. सबसे पहले जो हमें सिखाते हैं, इट्स जस्ट दैट इवन इफ आई नो हाउ टू प्ले अ सॉन्ग, a regular practice is just learn how to move your fingers around on the fretboard और कौन से फ्रेट पे कौन सा नोट आता है, वो दिमाग में बैठ जाने चाहिए. वी हैव टू एकदम कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर करके उसको रेगुलरली करना पड़ता है, बिकॉज ओनली व्हेन इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर माइंड दैट वी कैन सी पैटर्न्स, देन आई विल बी एबल टू प्ले एनी सॉन्ग वेरी फ्लुएंटली. अदरवाइज इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. समझता ही नहीं है. Otherwise what ends up happening, only if you give me a written sheet will I be able to read it. I will not be able to make my own music. So when you want to get very fluent at something, you will have to do the basics again and again and again and again till they become a part of your psyche. Okay? It's boring work, but it's important work. अब कोई कितना भी कुछ भी बोले, people say ये तो questions आते नहीं है, लेकिन they can enjoy their life. But I know that these are extremely helpful, because well, I have seen people change a lot. And I was one of those people, इसीलिए. ठीक है? So I hope this session was helpful. And बस बाकी कुछ नहीं. People on YouTube, if you have any more doubts, you guys can ask me. I had also received a few doubts in person. I will just start answering them. This is what my team received. So I'll just start answering them right away here only. I'm just starting my prep as a CET fresher. How do I start? So if you're taking, should I follow the 75 hard? So understand, 75 hard is not about you learning too much. CET में बहुत ज्यादा सीखना नहीं है. CET का पोर्शन आराम से खत्म हो जाता है. The same with CAT. पोर्शन हो जाता है, जो जरूरी पोर्शन है वो. But it's just about setting the right habits. Because in the exam, it's not how much you know that is going to matter. It's about how well can you tackle the exam. तुम्हारी exam taking strategy और उसके साथ तुम्हारा जो नॉलेज है तुमने कितने एफिशिएंटली पढ़ा है, दैट इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू मैटर. यू कैन गेट अ वेरी गुड स्कोर इवन विद 55 और 60% ऑफ द पोर्शन डन, अगर तुमने 55-60% विथ वेरी गुड एफिशिएंसी किया है तो. आई यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो आई डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. इवन इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर और अ रिपीटर, द वे ऑफ गोइंग अहेड इज गोइंग टू रिमेन द सेम. I'm just starting my CET prep and I'm working. So working professionals के लिए, again it comes down to what Shubhajit asked, that you will have to take out time from your schedule or you'll have to assign those time to different hours. अगर मैंने बोला है 2 से 4 पढ़ो, तुम रात को 10 से 12 पढ़ोगे तो भी चलेगा, बट टाइम देना पड़ेगा. इट इज अ हाईली कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम. उसके लिए, एंड ऑनेस्टली आई एम टेलिंग यू, most people don't stay focused. Now I as a teacher am seeing it every day, right? Most people lose focus. एक बार कभी, like for example you guys saw it today itself, right? नहीं सर आज का कौन बचा हुआ है, या फिर आज मैंने स्पीड मैथ प्रॉपर्ली नहीं किया, आज का टेस्ट नहीं दिया. इट इज अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग, बट इट्स अबाउट सेटिंग अ हैबिट. मोस्ट पीपल डोंट सेट दैट हैबिट, जिसकी वजह से वो डिसिप्लिन नहीं आता. डिसिप्लिन नहीं आता तब तुम्हें ये टास्क लगता है. जब तुम रोज आदत बना लेते हो ना, तब वो टास्क नहीं लगता. जब वो टास्क लगना बंद हो जाएगा, तब वो आदत बैठ जाएगी और मॉक बहुत स्मूथली जाएगा. दैट इज द पॉइंट वेर आई वांट टू मेक यू रीच. और वो हो जाएगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली 20-21 दिन में. आदत लग जाती है, बाद में वो त्रास नहीं लगता. यस अंकुर, यू हैव अ डाउट, प्लीज आस्क मी.
सर जो 75 हार्ड की बुक्स होंगी वो अराउंड उसके उसमें सीईटी के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस भी इंक्लूडेड हैं, मतलब वो डिजाइन कैसे हैं?
एनीबडी हु टेल्स यू ये सीईटी का प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर है, run from that person because he's cheating you big time. Okay? CET never releases past year के papers. अब तक कभी CET ने रिलीज नहीं किया है. जो भी अपनी बुक्स में डाल रहा है that CET 2017, CET 2015, they are making a big fool out of you. They are trying to scam you. Okay? You will never see the reputed institutes do this. IMS will never say this. Time will never say this. It's only the people who are going to try to scam you who are going to say this. Okay? Because CET अपना पेपर रिलीज नहीं करता. There is nobody who is as godly in their memory, जिनको CET के सेंटर के निकलने के बाद इतनी टफ, इतनी ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एग्जाम और टाइम इंटेंसिव एग्जाम देने के बाद घर जाके पौने घंटे बाद उनको पहुंच के पूरा पेपर याद रहेगा. हाँ, ये वाला क्वेश्चन तो ये वाली एग्जाम में पूछा गया था. Nobody can remember that. So that is why all of these gimmicks, they are not done by reputed people. Are you understanding, Ankur?
यस सर.
Yeah, so please don't believe all of that.
So
If
one
you,
more question.
if you see these tactics, run. Immediately run. Okay? Chalo. What is included in the 75 hard course? People many times have a doubt. So obviously lectures included है. तुम्हें daily timetable मिलेगा. Mocks included है. Depending on the package you select, there will be one-to-one sessions and mock buddy sessions. And finally, most importantly, जो अपने mocks है, वो सारे mocks का analysis वाला part is something that I'm taking a lot of pride in. That mock analysis is going to really be the game changer for you guys. तो मॉक्स, मैं बाद में जो मॉक एनालिसिस बताऊंगा दैट मैं भी कैसे करता हूँ, वो भी बहुत हेल्पफुल करेगा इन द मॉक बडी सेशन. तो ये दो चीजें इज समथिंग दैट आई टेक अ लॉट ऑफ प्राइड इन. एंड द बुक्स दैट वी हैव दिस टाइम, यू विल trust me, I have solved books by almost all the classes while I was preparing. Whatever I found missing in my material that I was following, that is what I've put in here. Okay? तो वेरी सिंपली वही बोलते हैं, जो जो मुझे लगा दैट ये होता तो अच्छा होता, वो सब मैंने यहाँ पे डाला है. That's it. That's the best explanation that I can give. How many mock buddy sessions and one-to-one sessions? 2 each. 2 mock buddy sessions होंगे, 2 one-to-one sessions होंगे each student. My one-to-one sessions, I keep rules for them. Okay. So one-to-one sessions are for if you are at this point, तुम यहाँ पे stuck हो. That is when a one-to-one session will be helpful. Otherwise क्या, अगर तुमने पढ़ाई ही नहीं की है, तो one-to-one session is useless because वरना क्या होगा? It will just be a YouTube video. जहाँ पे I will be just giving generic ज्ञान जो बाकी सब लोग देते हैं, right? A one-to-one session is to push the people who have reached some spot and then are trying to go higher. That is where I help you out. तो वैसे 2 सेशंस होते हैं, बहुत हो जाता है. Most people don't even take the second session. Almost all my 120+ people, वो लोग ग्रुप में ही सारा डाउट्स पूछ लेते हैं, तो उनको one-to-one सेशंस की ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं पड़ती सेकंड टाइम. पहला one-to-one सेशन सब लेते हैं. But it is just that the one-to-one sessions are that effective that बाद में जरूरत नहीं पड़ता. It again comes from the same thing ना. I made those mistakes, so I know उनको कैसे ठीक करना है. That's it. When is the portion going to be completed? As per my plan, the portion has to be completed by Feb 6th or Feb 8th. Okay, all inclusive. Like agar thoda bahut, if I'm sick or I can't take a lecture, or if any of the teacher who is taking that lecture is sick and cannot take the lecture, तो थोड़ा extend होगा, but वो भी मुश्किल से कुछ दिन, 4-5 दिन. So yeah, Feb 8th तक मेरे ख्याल से पूरा portion खत्म हो जाना चाहिए as per the plan right now. और हो जाएगा, 60 lectures है, we have more than enough days. सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा, don't worry about it. When is the portion going to be completed? हो गया. When are the books delivered? Books पहुंच, डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेर यू स्टे, 3 से 4 दिन में बुक्स पहुंच जाती है. अ सेफ साइड टू कंसिडर इज 7 वर्किंग डेज. 7 कुरियर वर्किंग डेज में बुक्स पहुंच जाती है. वी नॉर्मली डिस्पैच द सेम डे. Oh, this is a nice doubt. This is something that Prashant, who handles all the calls and messages, got. Why is your course costlier as compared to MBA wala, MBA Pathshala, Patrick, and a few other, and top percentile and a few other people? See, with all due respect to everybody, they are providing what they can provide. What I provide has shown very, very good results. Like we literally have right now the best results in the country. 42 people, itne kisi ke nahi hai. And the second thing, I'm the only one who is personalizing the preparation for you guys. There is a difference between selling a product and a service. And I prefer to say that I am selling a service and not a product. So for me, I personalize it for a lot of you guys. Like even the live lectures that I take, I don't take live lectures with 150, 550 or 500 or 800 people, which I have seen and myself taken lectures for other classes also. Previously where I used to teach. But वो यहाँ पे नहीं होता. I make sure that they are limited, they are extremely efficient. And on top of that, if you guys have joined any classes, you'll know that the number of questions are very limited that are taken in the lectures. मेरे LR के puzzles का जो मैं सेशन लेता हूँ, उसमें मैं 3 या 4 puzzles solve करके खत्म नहीं करता. I will have a longer session which will have like 7, 8, 9 puzzles solved. So I do it very efficiently. I put in a lot of heart into it. And itna I can say with a guarantee, very few teachers in the industry are able to take such good lectures. I'm not saying कोई ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत सारे अच्छे teachers हैं. Like there are very good teachers like Shashank Prabhu, Prasad Sawant, Jose sir is a god. All of these are very good teachers. But बहुत कम है वैसे teachers. So I provide what I charge for. I provide actually much more than what I charge for, honestly. Which lectures are going to be taken by which faculty? It's very complicated. पूरा टाइम टेबल मैंने बनाया हुआ है. Leave it up to me. I have given the lectures for who is good at what to those particular teachers. All the most basic fundamental building lectures like averages, percentages, ratios, speed maths, grammar, these are the ones that I take. LR के puzzles के advanced जो mixed वाला होता है वो मैं लेता हूँ. DI के advanced मैं लेता हूँ. So things where your fundamentals need to be very clear. That's where I make sure that I'm there to push you ahead. There are other teachers. The other teacher who's going to help me out is also extremely very well experienced in teaching. And so yeah, we are right now a few teachers. Don't worry about it. Overall, अच्छा है. Don't worry. I have put in a lot of effort into selecting the teachers properly. Is JBMS possible in 75 days? I have seen people crack it in 56 days. So definitely possible. How are doubts solved? We have a doubt solving group जिसमें 90-95% डाउट सॉल्व हो जाता है. अगर उसमें कुछ सॉल्व नहीं होता तो लाइव डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशन हो ही जाता है. तो सारे डाउट्स वहाँ पे सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. We don't require mocks books as we already have them from other classes. What should I do? Okay, if you have mocks and books from other classes, this is like saying that I am using a Samsung का phone, but मेरे पास मेरे iPhone का कैमरा है already. It will not function well. When I teach you in my lectures, I will take references of that particular sum from my book. और mocks के time में तुम्हें बताऊंगा that सुनो ये वाले mock में जो ये वाला sum था वो वाला sum चलो solve करते हैं. It will be a lot of coming together of the books, mocks and every kind of material that I give that happens in the lectures. So that is why सिर्फ मेरे lectures लेके फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. शायद तुम्हें हो जाए, but that is the way, not the way that I break down my course. बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत लगाई कोर्स को इस तरह से बिल्ड करने में. So I prefer not breaking it out too much in a way that efficiency चली जाए. मुझे efficiency नहीं बिगाड़नी. What is the strategy to teach each section? Clear the basics first, make the fundamentals extremely strong, and then teach how to apply those fundamentals in everything advanced. I honestly, in the advanced lectures, there is barely any teaching happening. It is more of getting the answers out of you guys. So that is what I probably do the most. I will teach you the fundamentals, tell you इसको कैसे apply करना है, and then try to get the answers out of you. ये होगा. Even in the LR का advanced lectures, you will see most of the solving is done by my students. I am there to guide them कि नहीं ये वाला नहीं करना, ये गलत है. This is not the right entry point. But I will push you to try to give me answers more. So that is the kind of fundamental building that I do. It helps a lot and it builds a lot of confidence. Before and after the lecture, confidence में बहुत फर्क होता है students का. This is what I have noticed very commonly. Yes, Yash, क्या doubt है?
हाँ सर, वो क्लास कहाँ पर होंगे पूछना था.
Sorry, what?
Live classes.
क्या?
No, I bought your course. I was just asking where the lectures will take place.
It will be on Zoom. You will get the तुम सीधा क्रैकविटस का ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो या फिर विंडोज का सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड करो. उसमें अपकमिंग लेक्चर्स में आ जाएगा. As soon as they are scheduled, वो वहां पे दिख जाएगा. ओके. सो वहां पे सीधा ज्वाइन का बटन होता है, ज्वाइन करो, जूम पे चालू हो जाएगा. ठीक है. इट्स अ वेरी इजी प्रोसेस.
So,
यस शुभजीत.
yeah, yes.
Sir, my certitude is as high as yours regarding this course, but sir, still, I just wanted to request, is there a way where we can personalize the review system?
As in?
As in, sir, what if we share the Google Sheets and we maintain your tracker on that? And some way or the other, you can review our Google Sheets. If at all, sir, that is
That will
possible.
happen in the course. Like once the course starts, I'll give you the Google Sheet. Don't worry about it. At that point, you can prepare or just give me just keep a productivity score ka वो ना, keep a record of your productivity scores each and every day. You won't need me if you honestly do that. But I don't mind
Sir,
doing that for you.
सर वही तो प्रॉब्लम होता है ऑनेस्टी खुद यानी until and unless you have a gun pointed to your head people generally don't tend to work, sir. That's why means I'm just requesting if it is
See,
possible
I
for
have ways to point a gun at your head. So what I do many times is for the live lectures. Omkar है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Omkar, what do I do for the gun pointing?
फिर मैथ सॉल्व करना पड़ता है, अगर नहीं हुआ तो लेक्चर से आउट.
So you have to, when I teach you speed maths, उसके बाद for the forthcoming lectures, where there is an application of speed maths, I am going to tell you to solve the speed maths ka test right in front of me. I'll give the sum. You stay in the lecture if you solve the speed maths. So to stay in the lecture, you have to practice your speed maths compulsorily.
okay sir. अच्छा sir, when will your lectures be held? Morning कितने बजे?
Morning, evening, 8 o'clock.
8 से सर 8 से 4 घंटा
जितना चला.
इसे जितना चला 8
हाँ, जितना
8:30
चला.
बजे ऑफिस रहता है सर, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा था.
See, you can leave early, recording मिल जाता है. लेक्चर खत्म होते ही रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड हो जाता है. So don't worry about it. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
Yeah. Chalo, Ilyas, Chetas, Shreyas, and anybody else who's in the class, do you have any doubt? If not, then we can move ahead with the day, the night.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Good night.
Chalo, bye bye.
Thank you sir.
Okay, Ilyas, you are asking, I just read the chat, you are asking that the 2 free mocks, just download the Crackotis का software ना, वहीं पे मिल जाएगा. The software is available on my website, just download it from there. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Can you 31st तक 120 marks, is it good or not? कार्तिक मैं पूरा एक टाइम टेबल बना के देने वाला हूँ कि कौन सी मॉक में कितना कितना आना चाहिए. Now it depends what mocks you are taking. If you are taking my mocks, scoring 120 in them at the end of January is going to be good. There are a few mocks जिसमें 120 तो पहली मॉक में आ जाता है. इतना ज्यादा इजी होता है. So honestly it's worthless because it will just be patting yourself on the shoulder. कुछ फायदा होता नहीं उससे. So it depends what mock you are taking. Okay? Package 1 mock buddy sessions. No, mock buddy sessions are in package 2 only. Package 2 and package 3 obviously. Package 1 में नहीं है. 75 course का validity will be till CET. CET delay हुआ तो I will delay the validity also. Don't worry about it. Okay? I always do that only. It will be till CET. जब भी CET होगा तब तक. Obviously CET के बाद अगर CMAT वापस आने वाला है, I'll extend the validity till the CMAT exam is there. What is the last exam of the season? तब तक मैं extend करूंगा validity. Don't worry about it. Okay, yeah, that clears all the doubts. Sakshi is asking, I have just started my preparation. I am watching videos from YouTube. So kindly guide me, how should I do the preparation? Sakshi, YouTube, there is a lot of good content on YouTube, but there is a lot of trash on YouTube as well. So you will have to be very good at filtering out कि क्या अच्छा है, क्या बुरा है. And the trash is very interesting to look at. It's very fun to look at. So be very careful what you are consuming on YouTube. Okay? Chalo. Bye everyone. I hope your doubts are cleared.